European stocks are falling for the first time in 6 days on credit concerns. Linzie Janis joins us now from London with that story. Linzie.
Hey, Deidre, that's right. American Express has helped trigger concerns about rising defaults on credit card debt on this side of the Atlantic. That's helping to overshadow comments from the British bank Standard Chartered saying that it, too, had a strong start to the year. You can see the losses there. And as it's St. Patrick's Day, I thought we would check the Dublin market. It's falling for the first time in 4 days. Now, a lot of these companies are, of course, traded here in London, but this market is down 65% from this time a year ago. Now, the Irish economy's spectacular fall has been well documented, and just in the last half an hour, the Irish Finance Minister Brian Lenihan has been talking to Bloomberg, and he says that the country's public finances have deteriorated, and it remains very exposed to a global slowdown. Now, Bloomberg's Terry Cooney went to Dublin, and she filed this report for us.
The Gaelic, the Green, the Guinness. There's a lot about Ireland to celebrate, but ask anyone on the streets of Dublin and they'll tell you the economy isn't one of them.
I had to close my business a couple of weeks ago, due to the downturn.
It's kind of like a spiral that's going all the wrong way.
We will come out of it because the Irish were very resilient people.
They'll have to be. The economy here is contracting at the fastest pace in the euro area. Mortgage lending dropped to a 23-year low in January. And unemployment reached almost 10.5% last month. Abandoned work sites and half-finished buildings are a sign of the times. Many of those joining the unemployment lines or thinking of leaving Ireland worked in construction, which is shrinking at a record pace after a decade-long boom. In the 90s, Ireland became known as the Celtic Tiger, attracting companies like Dell with big tax breaks. But now Dell is cutting jobs, along with Waterford Wedgwood and RBS, all among Ireland's biggest employers. Economist Konstan Gorjev says tax shortfalls and increased government spending don't help.
We are facing unprecedented deficits comparable to both our peer countries in the Eurozone and also our own history as well.
Some say Ireland has become the EU's weakest link, but others disagree.
I think if you run the macro numbers coldly through a machine, the results for Ireland are certainly no worse than elsewhere.
It may be a while before this wounded tiger roars again, but at least for today, Ireland's recession blues turn a bright emerald green. Terry Cooney, Bloomberg News.
A little closer.